Hello people on the internet, what's up? My name is Rishi and welcome to my channel where I do DIY videos and projects. And today's video is all about Manchester United home decor. Just like this one. Well, you can keep it anywhere onto your study table or your work desk maybe. Just a cool thing to have and also something that you can create by your own. So now enough of talk. Let's get with the video.
So I'm going to start off drawing some lines here. 15 by 20 centimeter is the rectangle over here. The idea over here is to create some grids, just like how they look onto the comic books, and you can create individual arts in between those squares. For a reference, I've taken the Manchester United logo over here, and I'll be drawing the sections of it in each individual grid over here. Painting this, I'm going to be using the acrylic paints that gives a lot of gloss actually, and they look bright as well. Just adding some darker broad outlines which will give more distinct look for those beads over there. So you can cleanly cut it, and you can also add a stand on the back side of it, so you can rest it onto a table.